how to trim and split footages like a pro. So if you want to learn the master video editing in CapCut, then what you need to do is first open up your CapCut application. Once you open, go with the create project, or you can also use an existing project. And here you just need to go with export and export the videos that you would like to add to your video. You can choose multiple videos that you would like. So once you choose, you can either click on this plus icon to add that to your timeline, or you can simply drag and drop that. So once you've added, here you will have your video, right? So you can go with the right side, which has this zoom out and zoom in option. So if you zoom in, then it will be zoomed in on your timeline. And if you zoom out, then you will have this kind of interface. So simply adjust it wherever you like. And then here, if you don't want this part of the video, the front part of the video, then you can simply select your cursor to the part, and then you need to delete this part, right? So to delete this part, what you need to do is simply go for a split. There are two ways. One is you need to simply go for split, and then you need to select the part that you don't like, and then you need to go for delete. But the other thing is you can simply go with the delete left, which is right here. You can simply go with delete left, and that part of the video will be deleted. And once you've deleted, now with the help of your cursor, you can simply play the video or just simply view the video without playing it. So if you want to adjust the audios, then you can simply go with the audio, which is on the upper right, and then you can simply remove the audio if you don't like the audio of this video. So simply decrease the volume from here, or you can increase the volume if it's slow, or if you don't want the audio, then you can simply go with the left, and here you will have the mute track option. You can simply click on mute track, and the video and the audio of that video will be muted. So if you want to again split, like if you don't like this scene, then you can simply split that from here, go for split, and then you can choose from where you would like to begin the next clip, and again split and delete this part. And you can do that with the other videos also, or the other scenes. So if you don't like this scene, which is this one, then you can simply go for split right here, and again split, and then delete this part. And if you want the video to end here, then you can simply select this part and then go for delete, or first split that part and then select that and delete. Or once you've done with that video, now if you want to add any audio tracks, then you can simply go with the audio, which is here on the upper left, and then you can add any audio tracks that you want. So for example, I'll be choosing a one. Simply click on download, and that audio will be downloaded and will be added to your video. So simply click on plus, and that track has been added, right? So you just need to simply drag that, and you can adjust the audio track. Or you can also use the same technique to split that audio track. Simply go for split and then delete the part that you don't want. And here, if you think the audio is too loud, then you can simply adjust the volume. So that's it. That's how you can trim and split the footages. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.